Welcome to English Leveling. Today we're going to talk about an interesting little noun. It is breather. What is a breather and how can we use this in a sentence? Well, a breather. Well, first off, let's think of the word to breathe. Right, to breathe, we know what that means, right? We take in air through our lungs, right? Taking air, taking oxygen, and then we exhale, right? Carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is breathing. This is okay, to breathe. I think you all know exactly what that means, right? To breathe. All right. However, think about this way. When you talk about breathe, when you talk about breathing, have you ever heard the phrase, to take a breath? Take a breath. Okay, so to take a breath. Now you can think about it this way. Have you ever heard the saying like take a breath? Right, take a breath. You might say this to somebody maybe if they're angry or frustrated. Right, you might say to them, take a, why don't you take a breath? All right, something like, take a breath of fresh air. Or let's say that somebody's very nervous. They're very nervous about something. Well, what can we say to them? Oh, you know what? Take a couple deep breaths. All right, we can say that, right? Take a couple deep breaths. Relax, that kind of thing, right? And so, you know what? It's very similar. We talk about a breather, right? We can say, I need breather, or people need a breather. If I tell you, take a breather, I'm telling you that kind of similarly. Maybe you're angry, maybe you're frustrated, maybe you're very nervous about something, or maybe you just need a break. Okay, maybe you just need a break. You need a short break. So I'm telling you, that's what I'm telling you. If I'm saying to you, take a breather, or I need a breather, that means, I need a break. I need a small break. All right, I need to go outside. I need to, take a few deep breaths. I need to think a little bit. I need to clear my head. I need just a little bit of time so that I can calm down, or I can feel better. I can get back to feeling comfortable. Okay, so that's the way that we can use this word. So it's very simply, if you're talking about yourself, you can say, I need a breather. Or you can say, he just needed a breather, so he went out for a walk. Or you can tell somebody, do you need a breather? Why don't you take a few minutes, have a breather. Take a breather. You need to calm down. Take a breather for a few minutes. Okay, that's exactly how we can use this little noun, this little phrase. And yeah, it's very common when you're stressful, when you're having a difficult time, when things are very chaotic and crazy, then you might feel like it's time for a breather. Okay, so why don't you tell me when you need to take a breather? Let me know down in the comments. I look forward to hearing your stories, and I'll see you in the next lesson.